Hi dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. And our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID, which is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. Okay. So then our team can arrange it out clearing session for you. After that, you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations. Okay, like ISI, CMI, TIFR, NBHM, etc. Like PUMDET also. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. So now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the PUMDET in the year of 2024, and the question is telling us that the area bounded by the bisectors of the angle between the lines x square minus y square plus 2y equals to 1 and the lines x minus y equals to a is, there are four options here, which are a into a minus 1 by 2, a square minus 1 by 2, half a plus 1 whole square, and a minus 1 into a minus 2 by 2. Okay, so what can be done here? So, yeah, okay. So we are given the equations which are x square plus y square, sorry, minus y square plus 2y equals to 1, which represents a pair of straight line, and the family of the parallel lines are x minus y equals to a. Okay. So now we are going to rewrite the equation in the standard form. So now we are going to rearrange it. So x square minus y square plus 2y equal minus 1 is equals to 0. That means, let us remove it now. Yeah. So now we can write from x square minus y square plus 2y minus y equals to 0. So that can be written as x square minus y minus 1 whole square, that is equals to 0. Okay, so after that, what can be done? Yeah, so we can write x minus y, this, into x minus y plus 1, that is equals to 0. So we will get x minus y plus 1 into x minus y minus 1, that is equals to 0. So the given equation represents the pair of straight lines which are this and this. That means our x minus y plus 1 equals to 0, and this equals, that means x minus y minus 1 equals to 0. Or rather, I have done some mistake, I think. Yeah, that will be minus. So we will get plus here, and this thing is correct. Okay. So now these lines are this line passes through. Okay, so these lines pass through their intersection point, which is founded by the which solving these things. That means, let me change my color for x minus y plus 1 equals to 0, and our x plus y minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so so adding these two, we will have 2x, that is equals to 0. So we will get x equals to 0. Okay, so now, so substituting x equals to 0 into these things, we will get y equals to 1. So we can say that these lines intersect at the point which is 0, 1. So now we are going to find the angle bisectors. So the angle bisectors of the line, which are x minus y plus 1 equals to 0 and our x plus y minus 1 equals to 0, are given by the formula. Then we will get what? So that will be x minus y plus 1 by we will get 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square equals to plus minus we will get x 1 square plus 1 square. So this and this will be cancelled out. So we will easily have x minus y plus 1, that will be plus minus x plus y minus 1. So since both the cases we will have from this, so let us take the positive case first. So we will get, so from these two we will have 2y equals to 2, so we will get y equals to 1. Okay, so now from this that means the minus case we will have x minus y plus 1 equals to a minus of x plus y minus 1. Then we will get x minus y plus 1, so minus x minus y plus 1. Then we will get only 2x equals to 0, so our x will be equals to 0. So the second bisector is our x equals to 0 and the first bisector is our y equals to 1. So find the bounded area. So the bisectors x equals to 0, that means the x axis, and the y equals to 1 form a right angle triangle which with the lines x minus a x minus y equals to a and x minus y equals to 0, which are at x minus y equals to 0 or x equals to y or x minus a equals to a or x equals to y minus a. Rather, okay, let it be. So now after that what can be done here? So the base of the triangle is the distance between x minus y equals to 0 and x minus y equals to a, which is a. So the height of, now the height of the triangle is from the y-axis to x equals to a will be what? That will be a minus 1. So the area will be now, so the area will be half into base into height. So that will be half into base into height. So that will be a square minus 1 by, okay. So this is our, yeah. So this is in our option B. So again, I am telling that if you have any other query, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call or WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email ID to our email rather you can drop an email to our email ID, which is classes@gmail.com. So then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourab's classes. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you guys.